Hey, what's going on, Side Nation? Happy Monday to you all. Hope everybody had a wonderful day. If you're on the other side of the earth, then happy Tuesday to you. I'm going to make this very quick. I just spent the last 20 to 30 minutes making a video, and unfortunately, my mic was on mute and I had music playing on the background. So the video is just nothing but the chart moving around and my mouse scrolling across and back and forth in the screen. So we're just gonna make this quick and easy because that's what you all came here for, right? Something very straight to the point. All right, cool. Look, guys, today was a inside day, one candle, nothing out of expectation. In fact, it was in line with expectation. I said it was either going to make a 3-1 or a 3-2 down today, just based on the price action. We made a 3-1, which is fine because that sets us up for a 3-1-2 tomorrow, right? This is our outside bar, right? This took out. Let me just take off the cloud so you all can see it. So we took out Thursday's high and Thursday's low. So there's the outside bar today. This candle was contained within Friday's price action. So we have a 3-1-2 going into tomorrow, right? Highly doubt it's gonna be a 3-1-1. Just not likely can happen. We're gonna make a two directional two, probably two up or two down, right? Depending on futures tonight, we may make it two down. Really depends on where we end up with futures, right? We'll know better tomorrow morning where it's going to be, but we're 3-2 going in. If you're a swing trader, your triggers are going to be the day high and day low. So your trigger for long is going to be 450.86. Your trigger for low shorts are going to be 447.99. So that's what we got going to tomorrow for the daily setup. Let's go to a smaller time frame. And look, everything here that you see is nothing different than I had before, right? You're probably wondering what these lines are. Look, this is your rising wedge. And I can scroll out real quick and show you, right? So you've seen this before. This is the rising wedge that we drew. And I drew this last over the weekend and showed you this, right? We broke out the first rising wedge, which was from May and February. The second trend line is from March. We have not broken that yet. So we did break out, and that's why we were able to short it and we took it down. And that's why the swings that we took worked. Keeping that, we do have the gaps here still and whatnot. And you can see that we have the monthly low, which we're looking to target and sweep because we swept the high. Now we're coming back down to potentially take out the low. We do have this gap. That's what I'd be looking for first, the target. So if we do make a move down, you could potentially get an 8 point play out of this or a 6 to 8 point play out of this, which is not a bad play at all. Anyway, look, let's go to lower time frames and whatnot. And just for note purposes, the daily, the weekly and the monthly are still overextended in the clouds, right? The clouds on the monthly is like at 430, and then I think the weekly is at 440 something. So still have plays to go to the downside. Look, this is how the day ended. We had this rising wedge pattern that we're looking to play to the downside for breaks. But this is where futures come into handy. And when we look at futures, we can see that it already broke tonight, right? I actually took this trade tonight, got about 5 to 6 handles on it. Um, depending like 20 to 24 ticks, depending on your entry and your exit. I did not write the full thing down to 45.25. I got out around 45.31. Entry was around like 45.37. So a good move, good move. Can't complain. But like I said, we really broke out of this rising wedge, and now we are sitting in this order block, this consolidation zone. The real test is whether we can continue back up tonight and test these trend lines or not. What I do want to point out is this: while we did, if this does hold true, right, the anticipated move pretty much is this, right? This is the anticipated move right. I can draw the trend line, or not the trend line, but the anticipated move line, and we can see that this. This is breakout. We'll probably get a little bit more, but that would be the anticipated move, right? A little bit down, which would be down to the 50% mark. So we'll see, right? Right now we are making, this is a double bomb, like equal lows right now, right? Everything's hitting this. So we will see. What I did want to point out is this, which I think is very important, right? So we do have this rising wedge on a smaller time frame, but we have this falling wedge on a large time frame, right? It starts all the way back in late July and comes all the way out to now. Um, we tapped this downward trend line at the bottom portion back in 3rd of August. Actually, August 3rd hit it a couple times. We hit it again on the 4th. So Thursday, Friday of last week, and then the top trend line. We started around Monday, July 31st. We hit it again on Friday, August 4th, and we hit it again today. So we gotta see if it respects this. If it does, then we can come back down. Doesn't necessarily mean we're gonna tap the bottom this, but we probably will get somewhere around the 50% mark for the daily, and ultimately targeting the sell side liquidity. And then Friday's low. That's what I would like to see happen if we do continue downward trending tomorrow into the rest of the week. So, and then once we take that out, that's when we might start making the next leg back up and eventually break back up to the upside. And when we do break up to the upside, obviously we'd be targeting, today's high, Friday's high, last Wednesday's high, etc., and back up to this gap here. But we have a 312 going to tomorrow. We need to see what futures does tonight. London session at 2 p.m. or 2 a.m. U.S. Eastern Time will give us a better picture until about 5 a.m. We will see. I don't believe there's any real econ data tomorrow. The real econ data comes out on Thursday and Friday, I think, with core PCE and whatnot. I have to go back and look at my tweet, but follow Twitter. It's on there. Again, hit the like and subscribe button on YouTube. Turn on notifications. You'll get real-time notifications when I upload the videos. Again, looking for 312 tomorrow. We will see where it's going. But if you look at this, it's still, right? Market structure is still down, right? From we talked about this last time, right? Higher high, or here's the turning point, right? This is the lower high, lower low. Apologize, man, it's late. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? So we should be downtrending, right? Should be, but we just need to be very, very open-minded and non-biased and just play what price tells us, right? Anyway, thanks again, guys and girls. Catch you later. Bye.